OKO's leading, mature, and stable equipment, along with its neutral and environmentally friendly brushless car fluid formula and wastewater recycling system, contribute to its core competitiveness. The introduction of advanced management and cooperation models from Europe and America. Production and acceptance according to European quality standards. The main components are made of well-known European brands such as Germany Pinel Pump, Germany Siemens plc, France Schneider Electrical Appliances, etc., to ensure the stability and durability of the product. Solve the problems of large initial capital investment, difficult recruitment, high labor cost, and low efficiency of vehicles.